Imagine this. You walk onto a dealership lot, hope in your heart, wallet in your pocket, determined to finally escape the endless cycle of repairs, mystery warning lights, and monthly budget-busting breakdowns. But which SUV will actually keep you out of the shop, and which ones will come to haunt your every mile? Today, we're diving deep into the 7 cheap SUVs that are so reliable, mechanics barely see them, plus the 3 models from 2025 that could honestly ruin your life. By the end, you'll know exactly which rides to buy for years of peace and which ticking time bombs to avoid. Let's not waste any time. The difference between a hero SUV and a heartbreak is real. Data from owner surveys, expert mechanic interviews, and rigorous reliability studies from sources like Consumer Reports and What Car show that certain SUVs just go and go, requiring virtually nothing but gas and routine service. These are the cars families depend on, rides that taxi drivers trust for 300,000 kilometers, and vehicles that fill online forums with stories like, "It just never let me down." So let's kick off with a legend in dependability, the Subaru Forester. For decades, Forester owners everywhere, from snowy Vermont to mountain towns in Austria, have praised its nearly unbreakable 2.5-liter boxer engine. It's a power plant refined over years, built low for stability and simplicity. The symmetrical all-wheel drive? That's not just marketing. This system keeps you safely on the road when rivals won't even start. Mechanics love the Forester because it rarely hides nasty surprises. The major faults of old models, like cylinder head gasket failures, don't plague the newer generations. Today, you'll find owners boasting 200,000 miles with repair bills that look almost fake, oil, filters, maybe a timing belt. And best of all, the Forester holds value. People don't want to sell them because they just keep running. Let's slide right into another surprisingly tough contender, the Mazda CX-5. Mazda gets a lot of praise for sporty handling, but the 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine in the CX-5 is quietly rewriting what reliable means in this segment. Forget complicated turbos or glitch-prone gearboxes. The CX-5 keeps it classic, using a sturdy 6-speed automatic and naturally aspirated power. Ask mechanics what SUVs they see least. The CX-5 is always near the top. Owners report 150,000, even 200,000 miles without anything beyond normal service. The biggest surprise is how upscale it feels for the price. You get better than average comfort and top safety scores without any of the premium brand headaches. If you're looking for something with a bit more personality that won't leave you stranded, put the CX-5 on your shortlist. You know what's underrated? The joy of owning a basic, worry-free car. Enter the Chevrolet Equinox. Sure, it's not flashy, but that's exactly what makes it dependable. Chevy has kept the Equinox formula simple: a straightforward, efficient engine, time-tested automatic transmission, and basic electronics. When you choose the 1.5-liter Turbo 4, you're opting out of the drama that can hit high-tech rivals. Mechanic after mechanic says one thing: just keep up with oil changes, and these things last. Annual repairs are often below $400. For rideshare drivers who put miles, sometimes 1,000 a week on their vehicles, the Equinox is a favorite. It's the kind of SUV you buy, run into the ground, and laugh when someone offers to buy it, because it won't die. Now, if you want bulletproof reliability with modern flair, check out the Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai backs every Tucson with an industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, but the truth is, you'll rarely need it. The Tucson sticks to naturally aspirated powertrains on the mainstream models, skipping over complicated turbo-hybrid fusions that are pricey to fix when out of warranty. J.D. Power, RepairPal, and global taxi operators put the Tucson at the absolute top for low-risk ownership. Owners rack up mile after mile, with the only complaints coming from normal wear items: brakes, bulbs, wipers. Need an affordable workhorse fit for a growing family, a delivery side hustle, or just a reliable road trip companion? The Tucson fits the bill. But if it's true peace of mind you want, it's impossible to ignore the Toyota RAV4. This SUV is synonymous with reliability. Why? Unlike brands that chase the latest gadgetry, Toyota takes a build-it-once, test-it-for-years approach. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine in the RAV4 is used in everything from sedans to hybrids to crossovers, with bulletproof results. The hybrid batteries, often a concern in rivals, have proven to run 200,000 miles or more with minimal loss of range. Owner after owner brags about skipped repair shops, mostly just visiting the dealer for routine checks and fluid changes. Resale values? RAV4s lose almost nothing year after year. If you buy just one SUV in your life and want to forget the stress, this is the one. Next up, reliability royalty, the Honda CR-V. Honda has spent decades building an army of fans for a reason. Whether you go for the older 2.4-liter IV Tech or the newer turbocharged 1.5, both share a commitment to low-stress, high-mileage operation. Honda's engineering philosophy is simple: make every part easy to work on, resistant to failure, and cheap to replace just in case. The result? CR-Vs that routinely top 200,000 miles. Forums are filled with stories. Original transmission, original engine, still starts every morning. Interiors outlast many luxury cars, and the cost of keeping up with repairs is vanishingly small. It's no wonder the CR-V is a darling of the family SUV world. If you're eyeing absolute value and want new breed reliability, meet the Kia Sportage. A decade ago, most buyers would have laughed. Today, everything has changed. Kia has rocketed up reliability ratings, especially with the latest Sportage. Why? They combine their impressive warranty with a powertrain design borrowed from the best: simple, strong, direct, and largely free from the complicated hybrid-only bugs that haunt some rivals. Owner data now shows Sportages, gas and hybrid alike, crossing 200,000 miles with ease. Fleet buyers, like courier and rental companies, say repairs are far below segment average. If you want a modern interior, high-tech features that work, and a reputation for lasting well past your last car payment, the Sportage is the new underdog champion. Pause for a moment. Those are 7 SUVs that earn their keep with relentless reliability, low running costs, and a cult following among owners who want to buy it and forget it vehicle. But let's flip the script. What about the SUVs that are the source of nightmares, unexpected costs, and rage-inducing breakdowns? Every year, even respected brands stumble, and in 2025, 3 models in particular have left owners and experts shaking their heads. Let's start with the 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. The promise is green, efficient driving with crossover utility. The reality, for too many owners, is a parade of electronic hiccups, battery pack failures, and complex hybrid control systems that seem impossible to fix. Hybrid transitions can feel rough, with gear changes that jerk even veteran drivers. Dashboard warning lights become a fact of life. Most alarming is the price of battery replacement. Thousands of euros, often more than the car is worth after just a few years. This is one model where good intentions and poor execution have doomed too many owners to repeat dealership visits and empty bank accounts. Mazda is usually the king of reliability, but their latest high-tech gambles with the CX-70 and CX-90 plug-in hybrids have backfired. Owners by the hundreds are flocking to forums to share stories of repeated check engine lights and warning codes that never really disappear, even after dealer intervention. Sometimes, charging software glitches leave drivers stranded at home. For buyers lured by Mazda's brand, these models have been a harsh lesson that even trusted automakers can stumble hard when rushing to market with new tech. The core gas-powered Mazdas remain top picks, but this year's PHEV options are a dangerous bet. At the very bottom, the most disappointing of all, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, including the infamous 4iE plug-in hybrid. Legendary for off-road cred, the Grand Cherokee's latest generation is plagued by nightmare-level reports: stalling engines, inexplicable warning lights, dead batteries, transmission failures, and endless electrical gremlins. The worst part? Many repairs do little to fix the issues. Horror stories abound in owner groups. Monthly $1,000 repair bills, repeat visits for the same problem, even cars that simply refuse to start one day. This is the model most likely to convert a proud Jeep owner into a first-time Toyota buyer. What can drivers take away from all of this? First, the classics, Subaru Forester, Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, have earned their reputations for a reason. Stick to tried-and-true powertrains, maintain on schedule, and these cheap SUVs can outlast much more expensive rides. Second, even the best brands can fumble when they gamble on untested technology. So if reliability is your top priority, Think twice before buying into the first or even second model year of a revolutionary new system. Hybrids and plug-ins are great, but only when they're fully debugged and supported by a solid warranty and a trustworthy service network. Third, don't let marketing or surface-level reviews be your guide. Dig into owner forums, call local mechanics, and research resale values. The most reliable SUVs hold their worth year after year. Maintenance matters more than most buyers realize. Oil changes, transmission flushes, and coolant top-ups keep even the most robust engine and driveline happy for years. Certified pre-owned options can add factory-backed protection, especially if you're stretching your budget. It isn't all gloom. Right now, more than ever, there are abundant choices for buyers who do their due diligence. Models like the Hyundai Tucson, Mazda CX-5, Kia Sportage, and Chevrolet Equinox mean there's a proven option for every taste and budget. Whether you care about style, ride comfort, cabin tech, or simply a lifetime of not knowing your mechanic's first name, it is possible to get real peace of mind. You don't need to spend a fortune or drive a bland car to avoid breakdowns. Let's wrap it all together. Of all the SUVs on sale in 2025, 7 have proven themselves across continents, ownership styles, and every kind of weather. They deliver exactly what drivers want: reliability, affordable maintenance, and true peace of mind. And while no car is magic, every vehicle needs basic care. Choosing one of these models stacks the odds overwhelmingly in your favor. On the other hand, 3 SUVs have shown that bold claims and fancy badges aren't enough. When an automaker gets reliability wrong, it's the owners who pay the price. So what's your story? Have you owned one of these reliable legends? Or did you roll the dice on a new release, only to be let down? Drop your experiences in the comments below. Autopedia is home to some of the smartest car buyers around, and it's your stories that truly help the next generation of drivers. Make sure you smash that like button if this deep dive helped you at all, and subscribe so you never miss another real-world car analysis. Don't forget, it's not the badge, but the history, the data, and the owner track record that tells the truth about reliability. Drive smart, research deeply, and as always, stay one turn ahead of the breakdown with Autopedia. See you next time, and here's to finding your forever SUV, the one that keeps you on the road, not stuck on the shoulder.